This is an XRP price warning. We have 24 hours left. Make sure to stick around to the very end because this can very well be a trap. With that said, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily XRP technical analysis. So, if we take a look on the daily time frame, we have the EMAs marked right here. As you guys can see, the price of Bitcoin pumped to 37 cents today. And that was a 7% pump for the day, which was the biggest winner so far in the crypto market. So, as you guys can see, we did test the 25 EMA for XRP. We got rejected right here, as you guys can see. And it looks like it's going to take a few days before we see the price of XRP potentially pump to maybe 38 cents. So first we need to break through the 25 EMA and then test the 35 EMA, which is around 37 or 0.37427. That's the next price for XRP we need to look at, because if it fails to pump to this price, well, this can very well be a trap for XRP, and then we can see a dump back down below 35 cents, which is a key support level for XRP. If we take a closer look at XRP right here, if it loads, for some reason it's not loading. There we go. So if we take a closer look, as you guys can see, earlier last week, the price of XRP formed a descending triangle, which is bearish. It did dump all the way down to 33 cents. And then we saw the price of XRP move up back to the major support level of 35 to 34 cents. And then again, it dumped, and then we tested it again. And then we seen earlier today a massive pump to 37 cents. So as you guys right here, we marked a major resistance that we need to break for XRP, because if we don't in the short term, well guys, we can see XRP dump back down to 34 cents. So as you guys can see, we need to hit this price in the next 24 hours to show any signs of an XRP pump short term. So if we take a look at Bitcoin, this can very well, we need to look at Bitcoin because this can very well pump the price to 38 cents and possibly 40 cents, which is what we need for XRP to consider a bull run or a reversal of the bear market. So as you guys can see, if we take a look at Bitcoin right now, it already formed a diamond pattern, which on a downtrend is a bullish pattern. So we should expect a pump in the near future for Bitcoin, as you guys can see, possibly around 17,500 and maybe even potentially 18,000, which is a good sign for XRP if Bitcoin pumps or manages to pump to $18,000. So right now what we're seeing is a sideways price movement for not XRP, but Bitcoin, which is also a sign that there is going to be an imminent price movement in the near future. It can happen at any moment within an hour, 24 hours, or in a couple of days. We don't know, but we need to prepare. This is why hit the like button and subscribe and make sure to turn on post notification to stay updated with Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum, because I will keep you guys updated on if anything happens with these prices. So we also have these major support and resistance line that I drew up. If this loads up right now, right here guys. So if we take a look at Bitcoin right now, we have some major support and resistance. As you guys can see, we have a major support around 15,000 to 16,000, which is why I do believe in the near future, short term, we can see a Bitcoin pump possibly up to 18,000, which is very possible just because we're very low. There's not a lot of news going on in the crypto space, so the only way to go short term is a pump. Also, I have more evidence. If we take a look at the S&P 500, guys, well, what is going on right now is the S&P 500 is recovering, as you guys can see, or actually cooling down just because the holidays was yesterday, meaning that there is not a lot of activity going on in the market. So we're going to see a recovery just short term for the S&P 500, which means Bitcoin will follow, because Bitcoin does follow with the S&P 500. As a result, altcoins like XRP will also follow Bitcoin. So this is a chain reaction of what will happen. This will help XRP price possibly pump to 38 cents, maybe even 40 cents. So if we take a closer look on the daily time frame, yes guys, the next resistance we need to break through is the 37 cents, and then we can potentially hit the 38 cents. And now looking at the weekly time frame for XRP, well guys, if we want to see a reversal in the bear market, well guys, we're gonna have to break through the 50 cents, which is very unlikely unless the SEC versus Ripple case is over and XRP wins. But as of right now, we must wait until Bitcoin reverses and pumps to maybe $20,000 before we see XRP price pump to 50 cents. But as you guys can see right now, it would be amazing if XRP pumps to 40 cents and we test the EMA 20, which is the exponential moving average, and that is a early sign of a reversal. That means we're in the early stages of testing these support levels. So, or not support levels, but resistance levels. So, the chances of XRP pumping will rely on what the S&P 500 does, along with what Bitcoin does in the near future. This will send or dictate what XRP price does. So we need to pay attention in the next 24 hours because, as I said, anything could happen at any moment, which is why we need to pay attention to the price of XRP along with Bitcoin and the S&P 500. As a result, this will dictate what it does short term, but long term, in the next couple months, I do see a major crash occurring possibly around the end of June to the early stages of February. So we need to pay attention very closely. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications to keep updated, because I will make a video on the S&P 500 with Bitcoin. So make sure to stick around. With that said, peace.